So we got the rubber bands, the bleach mixture. Now we're gonna go to the bathtub and tie-dye.
The sweatsuits that we got are sold out online, but we had like a whole wall.
When you don't actually know what you're doing.
Two-part.
I don't understand. I never really went to summer camp, so I never learned how to do this. We're gonna go with it. Okay, time to do the pants. They got dust on them. I accidentally got really big pants. So, we'll see what happens. How do you do the pants? Oh. Okay, so I have them done. I feel like I need to put one more like here, but I also like don't really know. I'm gonna put a TikTok right here of like this girl that I follow on Instagram. She did like a little DIY how to do it, so that's kind of what I followed, as well as like YouTube videos. Yeah, we're just gonna spray some bleach and see what the frick happens, because why not? Why not, right? Like, it can't hurt anybody. It's tie-dye. It's supposed to be not perfect and whatever. That's what makes it cool. Okay, I need to stop. Okay, so I just have the one. I needed more bleach, but like, I don't know. Is it doing something? I can't tell if it's doing anything. Like, it's all still black. Does bleach work that quickly? I really have no idea what's happening here. I don't know. This is fabric safe bleach, and I'm trying to bleach fabric. I really want to go off myself right now. I can't fucking stand myself. What do I do? Fuck. I got new bleach. Okay, now let's actually do this. So round two, really careful now. So I have a proper mixture now. So now let's go bleach the clothes. All right, let's do this again. This time it's actually gonna work. So like, I don't know how long this is supposed to take. My friend said they did this and they let it sit for like 10 minutes. So I guess I'll do that. I don't really know what's happening clearly, but okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's starting to work on the pants mostly, a little bit on like the shirt here, but like this part is not bleaching. But oh my god, the pants are looking so good. Wait, this might be my new thing. Oh my god, like look. Oh my god, this is so cool. Okay, so I had to mix another round of like bleach and water because it's just like not getting as light as I want / thought it would. So I just like resprayed them after 10 minutes and it's like kind of doing something. I don't know, the top is still like not lightening. So like, I guess like it is, I don't really know. I can't really fucking tell. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. I just like know what other people's look like, so I know what to kind of base mine off of, and it kind of doesn't fucking look like that. I don't know why I always do this. Is it wrong that like I want to try and like bleach my hair with this bleach? No, don't do it. Don't do that. Don't do that. No. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes. I'm gonna rinse. What? I'm gonna take them out of the elastic bands. So let's see what happens. Okay, so this is the back of the pants. I'm waiting for a full, but the back of my like pants that I did, I guess they like, I bunched them like, so the back was like fully bunched in and like covered. So I'm just gonna go back in and like do a couple clumps with the elastic bands and spray some bleach so there's bleach like everywhere so it doesn't look weird. And then yeah, the whole pants can have the whole tie-dye effect on them. Okay, so the shirt, the back got like no bleach on it, so I just kind of like did the back and then like one other part of the front just where there was like a big massive hole. So I'm just gonna wait for the bleach to kind of set so it's the same color as the rest of it, and then I'm gonna rinse it out and throw it in the wash, so I'll be back when I'm rinsing. They just have to dry because I live in an apartment and I have to pay for the washer and dryer, and I don't have $2 for the dryer, so I'm just gonna let them dry, and then once they're dry I will do a fashion show. So this is how it turned out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I think it looks so cool. It kind of turned gray because like I guess it's polyester, but I kind of really like it. Woo! Now I'm gonna go do more. So like I guess it turned out kind of cool. I guess like tie-dye can't really go wrong unless it goes wrong. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. Stop looking at me like that.
Why don't we just use old clothes that we're gonna throw out?
Oh my god, reduce, reuse, recycle. Yeah, okay, so let's go through clothes. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.